The probability scale runs from 0 to 1. When the scale is at 0, we are saying that event is not going to occur. When the probability is at 0.5, the chances are half-half. Like tossing a coin, the chance to get a head or a tail is 50-50. So it will be 0.5. And then 1 is when you are very sure that something is going to happen, its probability is going to be equal to 1. So because in this case, we've got red balls and green balls only. So if the probability of picking a green ball is 0.38, that means the remainder is for picking red balls. And because our scale runs from 0 to 1, so we have to say 1 minus 0.38 to get 0.62. That is the other probability. So that when we say 0.38 plus 0.62, we go back to 1. There is no answer in probability that is greater than 1 or less than 0. It is either 0 or 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 until 1. So that's what happens with probability. Do you read me?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Right. Rule number 2, if the signs are different, ignore the signs. Subtract the smaller number from the bigger number, and put the sign of the bigger number on the answer. Right. And then rules for multiplication and division. Rules for multiplication and division. But maybe before I continue, let me put examples here. E.g., if the signs are the same, ignore the numbers, add the two, like minus 1, minus 4. You ignore the signs, you add the two numbers, 1 plus 4, you get your 5, and then you put the common sign. The common sign is a minus. The same applies, or you just say 1 plus 4, yes, it is equal to 1 plus 4, yes, it is equal to 5. Do you get it? So if the signs are the same, add the two numbers, put the common sign on the answer. If the signs are different, ignore the signs, subtract the smaller number from the bigger number, and put the sign of the bigger number on the answer. What am I saying there? Minus 1 plus 4. You ignore the signs and then you say 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3, but the bigger number is a positive, so your answer is positive 3. Do you get it? Or you can say 1 minus 4 is equal to, you ignore the signs and you again say 4 minus 1. You get your answer 3, but the bigger number has got a negative sign, so your answer is minus 3. Do you follow that? Quite clear, right? Quite clear, isn't it?
Yes.
Then rules for multiplication and division. Number 1, if the signs are the same, the answer is positive. For example, minus 1 times minus 4, the answer is equal to 4 times 1 is 4, so the answer is a positive 4. Right. Rule number 2, if the signs are different, the answer is negative. The answer is negative, right? For example, minus 1 times positive 4, the answer is equal to negative 4. Or 4 what? 4 divided by negative 1. So 4 divided by 1 is 4. So the answer will be negative 4. So if the signs are different and you are multiplying or you are dividing, the answer is a negative. If the signs are the same, but you are multiplying, the answer is a positive. So there are rules of addition and subtraction of integers, and there are also rules of multiplication and division of integers. And integers are a set of whole numbers including a zero.